Hello everybody, this is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. This is a shot, today's subject. I shot it with the 4x5 reversal film, yes, analog gauge, multiple exposure, which is I take a shot couple times, took a shutter couple times and make one of the take shutter on. I use the filter on here, so that's why it's kind of foggy lighting. It's also here too. Okay, I'm ready for that. This image and also this one is I made it by Adobe Photoshop. Use a filter called Find Edges. As always, I use these too. Now, I'm going to use this image. Then I'm going to move this layer, another layer in between these images. And I'm going to change this blend mode to darken. Then turn maybe 60% up or so. Also, I'm going to opacity down this base image about 50, 35, depending on this layer with the watercolor. This time, choose the brush to a basic watercolor, then make it real small, about 8. No water flow. Use black is fine. Now, well, let's go with the 15 or so. Okay. I'm gonna turn down more so I can see image. Well, I'm gonna add another layer for move to this one underneath of the image I just draw. I'm gonna put the color on here for watercolor wash flat I'm gonna use, and light blue to see that cool watercolor effect. Turn down more so you can see some of the blue I just put. I'm gonna use the brown. Let's see, I'm gonna see different texture of too much color maybe. I'm gonna turn this one off. Now add another layer to try. Once more. Now I change the basic watercolor to go all the way up. Say watercolor wash soft. Real shadow color. I don't know how much it's gonna show up. Okay, now I'm gonna see this base image. I'm going to duplicate layer, then turn this one is just off, just keep it, and I'm going to use this. I'm going to create empty mask, convert, then invert mask. Now I'm going to paint it on this, the reveal painting to wet brush 1. This is the texture. I'm gonna move this layer, background color layer under this image here. Then continue to reveal. Now I'm going to change to dry media to soft chalk. Now I had these lines. I'm gonna put some watercolor, basic watercolor brush to only watercolor wash soft. Go down this water. Let me see, try if I use it some other colors. This is much better, I think, so I'm not going to use this. Well, maybe this much, that's all. But other than that, some interesting image, I guess. Maybe more some play around and then show the red here, red image here with the soft chalk. Well, I guess almost done. I think it's kind of interesting image. Thank you for watching my video, and I appreciate for support for me, and you guys have a nice day, and see you next time. Thank you, and ciao.